church is accepting you and
Let's have vada pav. It's the same grotto they made at same place, no? Hey guys, welcome back to
life with the Sequoias.
So guys, the day has finally come for baby. She was excited for this. She didn't know she would be a part. She came to know about it yesterday, as you already saw in the vlog. And today we are now on our way to church. So what exactly it is, it's called as a rite of acceptance. It is something where a non-baptized individual is accepted, and now she'll be called as, what are you going to be called as, baby, now?
Catechumen.
Catechumen, yes. So now you are no more a candidate, you are now a catechumen, and it's a beautiful journey. It's it's actually more than me. Baby will feel connected to it. She'll be in that emotional phase. So baby, welcome. And what would you like to say?
Nothing in specific. There are so many things to say, but of course right now I am short of words. But it's a beautiful journey, and I also want to thank those who specially message us either on WhatsApp, Instagram, or even few comments on our YouTube videos.
Correct.
Where you all welcome me, you all wish me luck, and you all also, some of them actually even feel connected. And they also say that we know how it feels, we know what you're going through and all of that. So thank you so much for all those messages and reaching out to me, reaching out to him, and just in general, thank you for everyone who has been a part of this journey along with me. And very soon I'll share my experience, or how is it going and all. But now I think we got to rush to the church.
Yes. And I don't know whether we'll be able to take video or capture videos and all, but in case we do, we'll put it out. Of course, in case we don't, please understand our privacy and all that stuff. So now we'll head over to church. So Bagu, aajcha divas
Kasa jato?
We didn't have our lunch, so we have stopped on the road to have vada pav. So gonna buy some hot vada pavs and then have it in the car, of course. I got vada pavs and this fellow is snoring.
Come, Babu.
Let's have vada pav. We are just 5 minutes away from the church, and it's going to take us 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. So let's eat before we reach there, because अभी तो कुछ खुला भी नहीं रहेगा चर्च के आजू बाजू में. So we have reached the church. This is Infant Jesus Church. So this is what she is wearing. Nice. You want to say anything? See, it's the same grotto they made at same place, no?
Yeah.
We have practice now. Chalo, let's enter the church. Come. From here on you'll go, no?
No, we'll go from that side.
Why? From here on you'll enter. Where is it? फाइनली पहुंच गए यार सेफली.
बुधवार से आ रहे हम लोग.
हाँ वही बोला. जोशुआ
के भी आगे 10 किलोमीटर और.
क्या बात करे, बहुत अंदर था.
जोशुआ आएगा.
टायर्ड रहेगा ना बेचारा.
बहुत टायर्ड
है. चलेगा।
बदलापुर हो के सब हम लोग फिर वहाँ यहाँ पे कंटेनर पलटी रिवर्स गाड़ी
रिवर्स
डाल के फिर
वाले।
बदलापुर से गए हम लोग। आते वक्त फिर कंटेनर
कितना घंटा लगा फिर उधर से इधर?
वहाँ से 2.5 घंटे लगे।
अरे बाप रे,
बहुत
बहुत है।
और रास्ता भी ऐसा था ना, बाप रे पूछो ही मत।
आ गए नहीं, आ गया ना, अभी हो गया, चलो सॉर्टेड।
5:30 बजे पहले पहुँच गए। सर कौन सा रुद्री बोल रहे थे?
पता नहीं विच कौन सा रोड?
आर्टिफिशियल रुद्री ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे ना, वो सांप वाला।
वो वाला नहीं ले रही क्या, सांप वाला?
हाँ चालेल।
हाँ बरोबर.
बेबी विच वन आर यू
रुद्री
गोइंग?
में कितना होता है? नहीं जाएगा सर।
पकडा ना ही तुम्हाला.
हाँ दे ना।
So we have taken our place. This is my place and Hriday's place. Baby will come in the procession like an altar server. It's too exciting. Let me tell you that. Are you nervous? Are you nervous? No? Happy. Good.
अपने कानों पर पुरस्कार चिन्ह ग्रहण कीजिए ताकि आप प्रभु की वाणी सुन सकें, ताकि मेरी कृपा के प्रति जो इनमें अभी आनंद हुई
How are you feeling? Show me the cross. It looks so good. Just got done, and guess what I've got? I've got these sausages and
The
salamis.
bags look the same जो पहले मेरे
Yeah.
हाथ में था, but ये वाले ठंडे हैं, वो वाले
ठंडे,
गरम
yeah.
थे.
So I've got nearly 5-6 kgs of
5-6
yeah sausages. So sausages,
जिसको पार्टी
salami.
चाहिए आ जाओ.
So we're gonna have a good time for the next 1 month at least. Yay! Now done. Formality is done in the church, and baby is happy. Where's the cross? Kept it inside. Okay, that can be kept in
this
the.
Hriday is
one.
jumping to come.
We have put the stand on the car, So it's something new that
Go
experimenting.
behind, then you can be seen.
Sure, go.
Go
Show,
there.
show
Go
yourself
behind.
to everybody what you're wearing. Jump,
Now
jump and say, whoa.
Whoa, nice.
Okay, now we are going for dinner. We haven't had much except for that vada pav that you all saw. Now we need to eat something good. What are we planning?
Something close by only, क्योंकि
Actually.
दूर जाएंगे, ट्रैफिक में अटकेंगे, वो उल्टी आएगा.
Correct.
So better to eat.
So let's see.
somewhere
We'll figure out a
close
place
by.
close by. Let's see what it is, and we'll head to a place to eat. So after a lot of thought, we finally decide to come to Subway. So guys, I'm going for my favorite. I'm going for roast chicken, and I'm going to add in a BMT. So I'm going to show you how they're making it. Baby, what are you planning?
I'm saying.
You'll see, these people will take a lot of time. I was already set. I'm taking a white Italian. So they cut it into half. What bread is he choosing? Nice. First let him make one. Yes. Toast it a bit with cheese. Love the setup. Very clean. You're having veg or non-veg?
Chicken.
Seriously? I thought you're having veg.
हाँ मैं बताती हूँ, इनका बना लो फिर हम दोनों का बनाते हैं.
नहीं नहीं, मेरा अलग से बनाओ, मैम का अलग से बनाओ. हाँ. I've put in all sauces except for barbecue. I am not a fan of barbecue. And that's done. Look at that. Mine is ready. I can't wait to have it. And now baby and Hriday are ordering. Let's see what they are ordering. What have you all decided, baby?
He's having chicken meatball.
Oh, chicken meatball and all. Ah, nice. Lovely. Enjoy. And what veggies are you going to put? Everything? Then? Okay. I can't hear you. Be loud, please. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Veggies.
Cheese. Cheese is a vegetable.
Okay, now you see.
Okay. Bread is the same for you all both? Nice. Wow. Good choice, right? Good choice.
This one is Hriday's and this one is mine. Both look so tempting. Tempting, I'm saying.
Tempting.
Tem. Chalo. So finally now it's time to eat.
You should be telling what we are eating also. No?
We are eating. I am having chicken tandoori.
You can
Hriday is
open it up and
having.
show now. The final product is here.
I think I opened it the wrong side, but yeah, this is how it looks.
That's fine. It looks good. Hriday, he wants to open the Sprite more than the...
Hriday, open and show. Open.
Be careful. Aram se, aram se.
Good.
Nice.
I'll show.
Okay, it's good. I want to show mine. I asked for extra pickle because I love it. And this is how you open up a sub.
Oh,
Roast
lovely.
chicken and BMT chicken. Let's haul. So we're done with our subway and baby is now going to this place to buy some things for Chester, Charlie, Coco, while I'm going to the car to attend a meeting. Bye. Yeah, Hriday will come with me. Chalo, let's go. We reached home finally. Are you planning to go for a round on Activa? Give me all this. Oh, sorry, what hurts? Take it.
How do you take so many things?
I'll manage. पहले चालू करके देख. Start, चल.
Go behind it then.
Bye. Baby, when you had gone to that shop, what did you purchase?
That's what I'm showing.
Oh,
I got a muzzle for Chester.
wow. Couldn't you get some other color over it?
नहीं था ये साइज में यही कलर था. You think otherwise I would buy this color?
Though it will match his fur.
उसके कलर उसके साइज में यही कलर था.
Okay.
And this is hard. हमने इसके पहले वाला जो
Soft.
लाया था that was soft. He chew it
Chewed
पूरा.
it. Ah.
ये नहीं होएगा. I
And
got this for him.
ये किसके लिए?
For him.
Baby वो डॉन नहीं है.
No, he chews his leash. Remember? ऐसे ऐसे.
चल
खाता
चल.
है.
You want him to be like Salman Khan.
This week.
But it'll look good on him. Like पूरा ये दिखेगा वो.
Yeah.
एक नंबर. Nice. छोटा नहीं है क्या वो?
क्या?
ये that collarbone bone I'm saying
Collar है उसका. उसमें just attach this. And then
Oh, I thought that his collar is also gonna be like this.
वो भी था.
फिर
but
क्यों नहीं
that
लिया?
I didn't get.
वो अच्छा था.
वो अलग था, मतलब मिक्स था वो.
We'll put gold for him. Let's see.
गोल्ड ओनली आई वांटेड,
फिर
बट वो गोल्ड वाला कैसा था पता है?
हाँ
ऐसे वो show you.
डबल डबल था क्या?
ऐसे इसमें से निकल के था, तो इट वुड बी, इट्स कॉल्ड अ चोकर. तो उसका वो, तो आई
Oh.
डिडंट वांट टू चोक ऑन, मतलब ऐसा वो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Got it.
दिस इज गुड.
ठीक है चलो.
स्वीट.
Nice, nice, nice.
चलिए वन.
क्या चाली?
नो ईटिंग.
So baby, he'll keep this.
Zero Charlie.
He'll continue playing like this for the rest of the night.
Yes. So all in all, it was a good day आणि खूप मजा आली. तुम्ही
Did you feel
vlog-
like crying in church during mass, or when you were accepting the cross given
Little
by?
it's emotional because when they say that today like the church is accepting you and all, थोड़ा ऐसे लगता है. But then it's good. You saw after the church, after the mass, how those aunties came running and they said welcome, welcome to the church. So yeah, everyone, especially the aunties who are watching this vlog, thank you so much for your support. And to all my other friends, family, everyone watching out there, I am sure you all are praying for me, Hriday and Rich. So thank you so much. And that's it. असा होता आज आमचा दिवस. Next, I can't even say it without baby.
हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.